Princess just announced that they are introducing the new Sanctuary Collection, a luxury ship-within-a-ship experience that will be exclusive to the Sun Princess and Star Princess. This video tells you what luxury amenities are included and how much the Sanctuary Collection costs. Hi y'all, I'm Jeff.
And I'm Becky.
And together we're a cruising good time.
Princess just announced that starting on October 14th, they're going to introduce their Sanctuary Collection aboard the Sun Princess. That's for the Sun Princess's inaugural cruise in the Caribbean.
Yeah, it's kind of neat that they're going to wait and do it when it sails out of Fort Lauderdale for the first time. I'm kind of surprised they're making such a big change just after the ship just got its first inaugural cruise ever at the end of February, just a few weeks ago.
Yeah, that's really a big surprise to me that they're coming out with this. Yep. Princess seems to be upping their game in the luxury experience.
Yeah, they're definitely going after that ship within a ship luxury environment that most of the other cruise lines have. Honestly, I think Princess is a little late to the game on it.
So all of the Princess ships have had some specific area, like a sanctuary area, that are beautiful areas where people can spend more money on a daily rate or for the entire cruise to enjoy that special area that other guests aren't allowed to go to.
Yeah, exactly right. Now with this one, if you're not staying in one of these suites or a certain mini suites, or now they've opened it up to a few balcony cabins, we'll get into that in a second, then you can't get into that area of the ship. And so a lot of people go for that sort of thing to be exclusive so they can command a higher price for it.
Princess is naming this special area the Sanctuary Club. And what I love about the one in the Sphere class is it has a gorgeous pool and a hot tub. Let's get into some of the details. The Sun Princess is currently offering a reserve collection. And now most of this is being converted to the Sanctuary Collection. The suites, which offered Reserve Collection amenities, will now offer Sanctuary Collection amenities. The Reserve Mini Suites are now called Sanctuary Mini Suites. The Reserve Cabana Mini Suites are now being converted over to Cabana Deck Mini Suites. However, they are not offering the Princess Premier Package. Guests will need to add those in addition to the room. Now, Princess is going to offer Premium Deluxe balconies. Currently, none of the Premium Deluxe balcony cabins offer any reserve amenities. The change is now that Princess is going to have 12 cabins that are going to be sanctuary balconies. So they are going to offer the amenities for the Sanctuary Collection. So let's break down more of the details. So for the number of cabins that are going to be under the Sanctuary Collection, there are 80 suites, 123 Sanctuary Mini Suites, and 12 Sanctuary Balcony cabins. And you can see that all of them offer the Princess Premier amenities, access to the Sanctuary Club, access to the private restaurant, access to the suite lounge, and a minibar setup is only provided to the suites. And then a bottle of champagne will be provided to the Sanctuary Mini Suites.
So real quickly, I want to take a moment just to thank our returning viewers for tuning back in and following us on YouTube. And if you just found us on YouTube with this video, please give us a like and subscribe and check out our YouTube channel with a lot of other videos that you may find informative. A key addition to the Sanctuary Collection that Princess is adding is it's going to include the Princess Premier Package. And so the Princess Premier Package is a bundle of a lot of different amenities that come with it. The first one is the Princess Premier Beverage Package, which covers drinks up to $20 and some champagne, coffee, smooths, all the non-alcoholic drinks you may want. It includes the medallion class Wi-Fi for up to 4 devices, has a crew appreciation. It has 2 nights of specialty dining for a cruise. It has unlimited casual dining meals. It has the Ocean Now delivery already activated, which includes complimentary room service. You get the Green Lane Express boarding. This is the same express boarding that suites and elite passengers would get. You also can reserve seats within the Princess Theater. You get some fitness classes up in the gym. You get the premium desserts. You get some fresh premium juices from the juice bar. And one that can probably actually save you quite a bit of money is you get all the digital photos that they'll take of you. You can download those right onto your phone before you leave the ship.
Princess is announcing that the Sanctuary Club will have other special amenities. They're going to have special sail-away parties and other special events. They're going to offer sunrise yoga and other wellness classes. They are making it, they're taking it to the next level from their sanctuary areas.
Yeah, I think it's going to be a big change for them there.
Yeah, and I really love how beautiful it is. I love their pool. I love that they're having a hot tub in this area. I think that's going to be a terrific addition as well. So the private dining rooms are the signature restaurant that currently the suite guests are using and the reserve collection restaurant. These are located on deck 7.
Yeah, they're right by the lower deck of the Horizon dining room. The new Sun Princess has a 3-story dining room. This is on the lower level of it. And it's different than the reserve class on previous ships, because on the previous ships, the reserve class typically had a section of one of the midship dining rooms carved out for the reserve collection passengers so they could have their extra menu items and all that off to the side of a regular dining room.
And you can tell from here, it looks like they have a galley between these two restaurants, and they will offer special dining options for those guests. This Sanctuary Collection will also have it for anyone that is a Sanctuary Collection guest. They'd walk up. There's no reservations required. They will be seated. They are supposed to be offered luxury service. And their menu will be a little different than what's offered to everyone else in the main dining rooms. As promised at the start of this video, now we're going to talk about the costs of the fabulousness for the Sanctuary Collection.
Yeah, and it's not very cheap. So all these numbers are based on an arbitrarily looked at a February of 2025 sailing on Sun Princess to compare all these different cabin categories. And on top row, we have the Sanctuary Mini Suite. And the base fare of that is $3,462. That includes the Princess Premier in it. So the total price there is $3,462. If you compare that to a mini suite, that base fare was $1,647. I chose a mini suite that's in a midship, so it's kind of comparable to the location of a Sanctuary mini suite. You add the $560 for the Premier for the week, it comes out to be about $2,200. It comes out to be $1,255 less than going with the Sanctuary mini suite, and you still have the Premier package in it. If you compare it to the Cabana Deck mini suite, that base fare was $2,473. You had the $560 for a week worth of Princess Premier. That comes out to be $3,033, or about $429 less than getting the Sanctuary mini suite. So if you get the Sanctuary mini suite compared to just a regular mini suite with a Premier package, you're really getting access to the Sanctuary Club up on the top deck, and you're getting access to the private dining room, and that's going to cost you about $180 a day, by the way I figured this math out. If we look at it from the balcony standpoint, because they've added some Sanctuary balconies, there's 12 of them, and if you look at the deck plans, they're all premium deluxe balconies. So once again, let's look at the top line, and a Sanctuary balcony is $3,280. That includes the Princess Premier, so that's the final cost, $3,280. If you compare that to the least expensive balcony on the Sun, which is called the Cove balcony, these are all down on deck 6. That base fare is $1,558 plus the $560 for Princess Premier, gives you a total cost of $2,118, or about $1,162 less than what you would pay for the Sanctuary balcony. If you look at the bottom row with the Premium Deluxe balcony, the base fare on that was $1,864, and then you have the Princess Premier package at $560 for a total price of $2,424. That's about $856 less. So, but if you compare the Princess Sanctuary balcony and the Premium Deluxe balcony with the Premier package, the only thing you're getting there different is, again, club access to the Sanctuary Club up on top and to the private dining rooms they have. That's going to cost you about $122 a day for that access.
Here's a summary of the changes that Princess has made. The Sanctuary Collection will become effective after October 14th, 2024 on the Sun Princess, and the Star Princess will open with Sanctuary Collection in place. The Sanctuary Collection more or less replaces the Reserve Collection, and it also adds the Princess Premier Package. It offers exclusive access to the Sanctuary Club. It offers access to a private restaurant, either Reserve Collection restaurant or Signature restaurant. Its cost is $100 to $200 per day greater than booking a similar cabin category located in a similar location and adding the Princess Premier Package.
So we hope you enjoyed this video. We have some other videos out there that evaluate Princess Plus and Princess Premier from a drink standpoint and also from a casual dining standpoint and on a very long journey standpoint. Those videos all have links below in the description, and you can find them on our YouTube page as well.
Thank you so much for watching.
If you liked the video, please give us a like and subscribe and turn on those notifications. It really helps us out.
Until next time, have a cruising good time.